is awesome. It's okay, earlier I hit my head on this. I just finished making this bodysuit and I thought I would just jump right back into vlogging. It has been a long time since I've sat down and chatted with you about anything outside of just strictly sewing stuff. I have quite a lot of updates, so I'm just gonna kind of bang through these as I don't want this to be too chatty of a video. So first up, I'm back in Canada. The biggest things that happened in my life that kind of made my whole world sort of collapse, and that's why I just really stopped vlogging. My heart wasn't in it, but Moo had passed away. That hit me so hard. I'm clearly like getting emotional about it now. Hopefully I can get through this. I'm not a very emotional person usually, but when it comes to my like cats, I just like, oh, they mean the world to me. So, as some of you knew, Moo had diabetes and asthma, and like I kept up on his shots and everything so well. Like he made it till 10 years old, which is quite impressive for a cat with so many health issues. But unfortunately, he did pass away from complications from his diabetes. So he ended up getting a blood clot in an area that could not be amputated. Like I would have paid to, I would have done anything, like thousands of dollars. I don't care. I'd go into pet debt. That's how much my cats mean to me. That obviously hit me really hard. It took a long time to, I don't think you necessarily recover from that stuff. I think you just kind of come to terms with it, and every so often you'll just have those moments that just like hit you hard, and you know, anyone who's dealt with pet loss, like they understand. Oh, I'm now separated from my partner. We are currently in the process of a divorce. On a more positive note, I did get a new kitty. He is currently in the other room right now sleeping, but I will insert some funny photos and videos of him because he is the most typical orange cat that you will ever see. Oh, we also did like a little Halloween shoot where I made us our costumes. His name is Natsumi. I did name him after Natsumi's Book of Friends because I'm a huge dork, as you can see by some of the books above you. Oh, I actually built this shelf. I don't just sew, I can also do woodworking, kind of. But that is enough rambling for now. I'm just gonna try to vlog here and there and just do the little compilation of what I do on the, I wouldn't say daily, but like weekly. And that's pretty much it for my updates. Thank you for listening to my rant. I'll see you in the next portion of this vlog. I love you. Good morning. I am off to Kelowna for a couple days. My main plan is to continue my tattoo removal, and then after that I will eventually be meeting up with some friends. I did bring my laptop just in case I wanted to work on that pattern, the bodysuit pattern, but that's not my main goal. Like, I'm not really focusing on that. I'm just focusing on having a couple days off. So I will see you when I am in Kelowna. finally have this cutie pie on me. Hey Delbert, you see yourself? Yeah. Oh, you're such a sweetie. After my laser removal, I came to my friend Kaylee's house and basically just passed out. Every time I get like anything, like a tattoo or laser removal, it just takes it out of me. I'm getting old, you know, I don't have as much energy anymore. Oh, where you going, Delby? What's up? What's up? You're so sweet. Anyways, a friend of mine is, oh, you're so cute when you just flop down. You're such a sweetie. Anyways, my friend Cam is coming to pick me up and we're going to go for dinner. So I should probably get up and get ready to do that. I don't really want to. Well, I do, but I wish I could take Delbert with me. You're such a sweetie. Anyways, let's go. Please excuse the messy studio. This is actually pretty clean compared to what it usually is. On the agenda today, I plan to finish the bodysuit pattern. Basically, I just need to add notches, seam allowance, and grade a couple of the pieces, as well as adding branding. Basically, I just want to get it fully ready to print. So let's just do that. You gonna say hi? Say hi. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Yes. This is what I started with, like what I've already drafted in a size 6 for the bodysuit. We've got the full bottom. This is the front, thong back, long sleeve, turtleneck, and mock neck. And what I have added today is the branding. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with Isla or Juno. Haven't really settled on that yet, but you can see here the name, what part it is, what you're supposed to do with it, size. And over here we have the seam allowance and the notch. I might change how I do the notch. I just don't really find this very aesthetically appealing, but it is accurate. And over here we have the front, and the thong back, sleeve, mock neck, and turtleneck. This isn't quite finalized. This is just kind of the idea I'm going for and how most of my patterns look. And it kind of gives you a rough idea on what I worked on today. I hope you found that somewhat interesting. I'm actually gonna go make dinner and feed my cats, and I will see you in the next portion of this vlog. I'm actually off to Salmon Arm to run some errands, so I'll take you along with me on that journey. I also have a bit of an outfit of the day. I decided to dress up because I'm going to the city. Where I live, every kind of major city or even small town is at least an hour away. So when you go, you might as well like kind of dress up. So for today, I have this cute little sun necklace and these little earrings from Fracas in Kelowna. And for the full outfit, I have this dress I thrifted. It's from a brand called Cinnamon Girl, and it kind of looks roughly from the 90s, but it's very cute. It's sheer. I decided to layer that with a Isla bodysuit, which is an upcoming sewing pattern. You've already seen me working on it. And underneath that, I actually used a Madeline skirt as a slip. And because I'll be walking around a lot, I just threw on some combats and this cute little shoulder bag. So that's the whole outfit. Let's head off to Salmon Arm. it to Salmon Arm. I'm just gonna pop into a bakery that a friend of mine works at, get some snacks, and then we'll head out to a print shop that I usually go to get the Isla bodysuit pattern all printed out. I'm very excited.
I'm not gonna say anything. I hate you for other reasons.
I'm including that, by the way. We secured the goods. I'm very excited to show you this unfolded once we get home. Came to the grocery store for bananas and they had jajangmyeon. I haven't had this in forever. I'm sure it doesn't taste authentic, but I'm excited regardless. So we had no luck at Fabricland, so let's hope that we find something at the thrift store. Thrift store was definitely worth it. Look at this gorgeous mirror I picked up. I only paid $25 for it. Worth it. Anyways, let's head back to home. All right, we are officially on the last entry to this vlog. The reason why I started this vlog is to basically try to romanticize my life and force myself to actually go out and enjoy life. It's really easy for me to not realize I haven't left my house in days. And I'm not particularly doing anything like depressing by any means. I'm just naturally a homebody, I think. But the main reason why I'm ending this vlog so early is because when I was coming home from work on Sunday night, a deer decided to jump on the hood of my car, rendering my car basically useless. And then because it was a long weekend, I couldn't get a tow truck until Tuesday. And between Sunday night and Tuesday morning, someone decided they would try to steal my car and they drug it up the road a ways, wrecking the front bumper quite a bit more and almost dumping it off the bank. So this will go one of two ways. Either they deem it fixable and then after that 4 to 6 weeks, it'll take even more weeks to actually fix it, or they will deem it basically a wreckage and I will get some sort of settlement out of that. And I'm really hoping it's enough to finish off the rest of the payments I have on the car because there's nothing worse than paying for something that you literally can't use. So all I can really do is just wait this out and see what happens. In the meantime, I will take like maybe a mini vacation, and I also signed up for a bunch of extra shifts at my work because I might have to buy a new car soon. So anyways, I hope that you kind of enjoyed this vlog. I know it was like all over the place. It's been a long time since I've vlogged anything. And I only really plan to do these once a month, so the next video I will release will definitely be an actual sewing tutorial. But until then, I love you, stay true to yourself, and always fight that good fight.